Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to straighten text in Photoshop step by step. I apply method 2. First of all apply method on press Ctrl. First of all select the text layer or image, then press Ctrl T, rotate. Okay, and apply method 2 for the best way. Select right click on your mouse, use roller tool, then click the then see this straighten layer clear, and now we can see this straighten layer and use again press Ctrl T, use manually. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.